Hello Facebook and YouTube. I'm going to use this lighter. It's a Zippo with the double flame butane insert in it to light some fat wood and see how it does. So this is the flame it does. You can tell it's two flames. I don't know if you can. There you go. So it's actually two flames. So let's see what it does on a piece of fat wood. Okay, it's kind of a fat piece of fat wood, so it'll take a minute to catch on really good. I know it looks like it's really caught on, but you never know with this stuff. See, you think it's going, but it's really not because it's too thick. Okay, so let's slide this on over. And we'll just let that get going for just a second. And I'm just going to let the film roll. In case you don't know, see this cutout right there? That's the floating mountain at Bonneville. This fire pit was made by Doug Fuller, custom made for me, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years ago. Met him at Bonneville. He was an official. I think he races too, but he definitely judges and keeps time and welds. And he's a great guy. Well, he is a great guy. He's still around. Just I don't see the Bonneville people that much. But he made this fire pit for me and charged me almost nothing, like $200 or $150 or $250. It's almost nothing. And it's beautiful. It has my number on it, 1080. Can't really tell, but there's a little motorcycle down there, floating mountain. It's the same on all sides. Yeah, let me change the color of the light because I usually like it green for this. Okay, so there you have it. The regular Zippo, its flame was a little too cool to really light the thicker pieces of fat wood, and so on a nice thin piece, the skinny pieces it lit just fine, and this thing just blazes them. But you know, the pieces aren't always skinny. So anyway, there you go. Lighting the fire with a butane double burner Zippo. I'll probably do a comparison video between the yellow flame and the double blue flame. But anyways, okay.